Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready to join now. Sign into Teams and verify your camera and mic. If you're on Wi-Fi, move closer to the router or switch to Ethernet for fewer dropouts. Once signed in, locate the meeting link from Calendar, Chat, or Invite. Copy it so joining is instant. Make sure you've allowed camera and mic permissions in your browser or OS. This avoids last-minute prompts. Now click the link or open the Teams app to move to the next step. When the meeting lobby appears, choose Join Now or wait in the lobby if the organizer controls admittance. Select the correct audio device and camera. Click Device Settings to test speakers and mic so others can hear you. Choose background blur or a virtual background to reduce distractions, and confirm your display name is appropriate. If you're presenting, pin the content or request presenter rights. Once you see participants, mute yourself until To present, click Share Content and pick your screen, a window, or a PowerPoint. Make sure you stop sharing when done. Use chat for links and Q&A, the raise hand feature to speak, and record only with permission so everyone knows. If audio or video fails, leave and rejoin. Close other apps using bandwidth, try a different browser or the desktop app, and confirm camera/mic permissions in OS settings. That one quick restart often fixes permission hiccups and reconnects your devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.